Hi everyone, today I'm going to read you a non-fiction story called Meet Rosina. It says, "Hi, I'm Rosina," and look how she spelled out her name with her hands. It says, "I am deaf, so I talk with my hands. I go to a special school for deaf children. All of our teachers teach with American Sign Language. We call this signing. We study math, writing, reading, and art. It's the same as in other schools. My brother Emilio also goes to my school. We play basketball during recess. My mother and aunt are deaf too. They both work at my school. Mom is a teacher's helper. My Aunt Carla shows us pictures of students who used to go to the school. My mom was one of them. My aunt often tells stories about when my parents were young. Sometimes we go to the school library. Our librarian, Hetty, signs stories from the books in the library. Hetty is good at telling stories. She makes us feel as if we're in the story. The story can make us feel sad, scared, worried, or happy. I love going to art class. I like to paint. Here I am painting a picture of myself. Our class made up a story. It is about a deaf father who woke up one day with 4 arms. We wrote it and did all the drawings. Then we made it into a book called Too Many Hands. I like sports. We are playing rugby. The way we play is to tag the person carrying the ball. Then he or she throws it to another player on the team. By running fast, we can get away and cross the goal line. Our team played other schools. We beat all of the other teams and accepted a big trophy. We were so happy. We splashed our coach in water. Some of us got wet too. We are all friends, so no one got mad. After school, I shower and change clothes for dinner. Mom likes to fix my hair. She puts it up in a bun like her mother did. At home, we all help Mom cook meals. I chop lettuce, Emilio cuts up cheese, Dad makes guacamole. After dinner, Dad and I play a game of chess. Emilio roots for me. Mom, Dad, Emilio, and me. That's my family, but there are many more too. We are a big family. I have lots of aunts, cousins, grandpas, and grandmas. Most of my mom's family is deaf. My whole family uses sign language to talk to each other. This is how we sign goodbye. And then the person who wrote this, it says George Ancona wrote the words and took the photographs for this piece. He learned how to take photographs from his father when he was growing up. His father developed pictures in their bathroom. Today, George likes to photograph people in their everyday lives. Before George wrote this book, he already knew some sign language. In this picture, he is signing, "I love you." So that was really neat to learn about Rosa and her family. Okay, bye everyone. I'll talk to you later.